Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, afternoon, kaibigan. Hopefully, nasa magandang kalakayan ka. Welcome to the Parking University. It's just another beautiful day to be grateful, kaibigan. Alright, kaibigan. Isa pang episode na gagawin natin, kaibigan. Okay? Pag-usapan natin yung ano yung thoughts natin, kaibigan. Your thoughts will become you, or it will become your destiny. Wow! Kasi, kaibigan, kung hindi tayo nito aware, okay? Kung hindi tayo aware na yung ano pala yung palaging iniisip natin, yun pala yung ma-attract natin, yun pala yung magiging ikaw. Malaking impacto sa buhay pala natin, kaibigan, kung tayo ay aware. Kasi mag-ano na tayo sa pag-iisip natin mag careful na tayo, okay? So anything that comes to our thoughts daw, kaibigan, okay? Minsan wala tayong control. Minsan for example, may negative or anything na pumunta sa thoughts natin, wala tayong control diyan. Pupunta 'yon sa thoughts natin. But what we can control is pwede natin yung i-neglect yung negatives na yun at hindi tayo itsapuiran natin yun at we think something else. Okay? So ito yung isang may nakausap ako na last few days ago na isang mentor siya sa mga about life coaching, kaibigan. Okay, ito yung natutunan ko sa kanya na, for example daw, mayroon daw tayong events or anything na feeling negative or events na naka-feel og negative sa atin, or depressed ka, or anything na hindi magandang nangyayari sa iyo daw. Yung technique siya, may tinatawag siyang halbening. Okay, halbening yata yun. So iganon lang na yung kamay natin, kaibigan, at saka breathe in, breathe out, at saka i-rub natin yung sarili, kaibigan, 2 to 5 minutes, kaibigan. Then after doon, kaibigan, magdesisyon ka kung same pa ba yung feelings mo or same pa ba yung reaction mo sa event na yon. For example, anything na mayroon kang bad reaction na bad things or very stressful na desisyon na dapat gawin, or anything na very negative, kaibigan, na feelings mo. But if you just rub ourselves, kaibigan, tong halbening na ito yung mga technique na ginagamit na ng mga guro, at saka breathe in, breathe out. After down yan, kaibigan, your feeling will change. Okay? So kasi ganito na yan, kaibigan. Okay? So our thoughts will become our feelings. Okay? Kung bad yung thoughts natin, it will become your feelings. Masama din yung feelings mo. And when masama yung feelings mo, kaibigan, most likely hindi ka magpe-perform well. Okay? And most likely hindi ka mag-a-attract ng positive, hindi ka mag-a-attract ng abundance, kasi hindi ka mismo, hindi ka aligned doon. Kasi yung law, we cannot change the law, kaibigan. We can only attract abundance, we can attract wealth and health, riches, if we are in that aligned down dyan sa frequency. We are in the feelings of abundance, we are in the feelings of wealth, kaibigan. We are in the feelings of anything na gusto nating i-attract, health or anything. So hindi siya, opposite siya. So yun din yung ma-attract mo. So imaginin mo daw kung saan ka mang, ano mang yung status mo ngayon sa buhay, kaibigan. It could be anywhere you're successful ka or hindi ka pa successful. Just that's all because of your thoughts. Okay? So ano yung palaging iniisip mo, and then yung iniisip mo palagi mo siyang ginawang dominante. Okay? Dinominante mo siya, or na hindi tayo aware na kung ano pala yung palaging iniisip natin, yung pala yung mangyayari, yung pala yung ma-attract. So anything na negative yung iniisip natin, yun yung ma-attract natin. Kaya siguro andyan kayo ngayon sa buhay na yan. Pero kung positive yung iniisip mo, abundance, wealth, so andyan ka rin ngayon sa buhay na yan, kasi yun yung thoughts mo palagi, at saka yun yung feelings mo palagi. Wow, kaibigan, di ba? So yun yung isang magandang na matutunan lang natin dito sa Parking University. Hindi natin ito matutunan sa school, kaibigan. But it doesn't mean that we don't need to go to school. Okay? So in real life, we have a lot to learn. Okay? It's really good na we read a lot of books, or open tayo, kaibigan, kung mayroon tayong mga mentor para maka-learn tayo everyday ng bagong mga learnings or mga bagong bagay tungkol sa buhay natin. Wow, kaibigan. Alright, hopefully hindi ko nasayang yung oras mo, kaibigan. I hope you well, and Close your eyes, open your arms, not your legs, and this all be yours. Peace, love, good health, abundance, all the riches in the world sa'yo na yan. Boom! Shakala, nagkalakala. See you next time. Babu!